Hello YouTube, this is YouTube Unscripted. I got something cool to rant about instead of watching me clean my bench. I'm not going to clean my bench today. Well, I'm going to clean it. That'll be the next video to bore you. But I did something fun today. Somebody asked me on YouTube if I have any stickers. Yes, I will get some made. Apparently there's some place that you can get stickers made. I was told Teespring, I was told some sticker place. But Arco on Ola Edge Customs, who still can't pronounce Kanawaki, Utah's garage, told me to go to Teespring because you can make all kinds of merch and stuff. So me and my weird thing there, I went on there. I was like, I think I already tried before, but never really put any thought into it. Because what the hell do I need merch for? I'm like fucking YouTube channel's less than 200 subscribers. So anyway, I went on there. I'm like, let's take this bit seriously because I don't really take shit too seriously. I made merch. If you go to Teespring and look, if you look down below, there should be a link on every one of my new videos because I don't link them in any other ones. I have to go relink all of them. There will be a link to my Teespring. I don't have a Teespring fancy name, but I have a Teespring account. I made some shirts and some other stuff, and I even made a shirt with my daughter. Yes, they are weird. They are abstract, and most of it will probably have nothing to do with this channel except for humor and stupidity. So if you like crazy merch, crazy shirts and crazy mugs and stuff that says I started a YouTube channel and all I got was this lousy t-shirt, that's the kind of shit you're going to get. Merch for me is weird merch for you. So all the money from the merch goes to support more tools because what the hell, do I want to sell merch for to make money? Probably pay the lighting and whatever else. This building doesn't cost very much. And it's not heated in the winter, so maybe if I sell a lot of merch, I could pay the heating bill. But other than that, I'm not asking people to go out and buy merch to support my channel. I'm asking you to go out and buy merch because you like merch. You like shirts. You like stupid sayings like this. Fat Nancy's Tackle Shop. It's got a hooker on it. But I always buy it. So anyway, if you like supporting a channel and buying a shirt, buy a shirt. You don't have to. You can look at it and laugh. So, or steal the idea and sell it on your channel. I didn't copyright it. So keep watching my channel, like, subscribe, check out the dudes below. They're all really cool. There's a whole list of them. And if you think you're really cool, join my channel. And if I think you're really cool, I'll add you to the list because, hey, why not support other people's channels? And thanks for watching. How many minutes did I yak? 2 minutes and 40 seconds for a merch video? You guys, I probably lost you a minute and a half ago. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment for second or third. First one to get the first comment is the first one to get the first comment. Yep.